Today we're demonstrating the door frame jig to assist with the installation of both the Gainsborough D style striker and the round striker, as you'll see later in the clip. The door jig can be screwed to the face of the door frame or the side, whichever you need to. Putting our trim router into the insert here will give us our perimeter and our shape of the cutout. Just squaring off the corners with the corner punch. You'll start to see that there's a shape now coming along. Now there's raised screw inserts at the back of the holes there. You'll see in a second where I use a counter orbit just to help the plate sit flush. You can see there that the cutout is absolutely perfect, sharp. It's a good job. Now onto the round plate. So this insert now will make things a lot easier for anyone wanting to install this round striker. Again, this can be screwed off to the face of the door reveal or the edge. Really easy. Here's a nice, perfect circular pattern that just press fits the striker dead on. Perfect results every time. Thanks for watching, and find us on our Etsy store. Thank you.